For this life
Today I want to be celebrated. Hey guys, so I am dressed. Please forgive my armpits. I delayed my waxing appointment. It is what it is. You know what I'm saying? So I am actually heading out. I'm looking so cute, so cute. And today I didn't put lashes on so that I could wear my bomb ass glasses. Bomb ass glasses. Anyway guys, so I'm headed to Little More. I promised you guys on my Instagram, if you're not following me on Instagram, I promised to go and shop there. So I just realized that I have a whole weekend to myself. What will I be doing? So let me go shopping. So I'm actually headed there right now. I think I'll show you my outfit when I go there, or yeah, probably, maybe I'll show you when I get there. So I'm just wearing a palazzo pant. It's a cream one, and a black oh my god, yeah, and I'm carrying this cute bag.
Told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Jacket. Oh my god. Will look extremely gorgeous. Extremely. Hey loves, so I came home yesterday and I was very tired. I actually got home at around 5 a.m. in the morning. So after shopping, I was lured into an event, actually an house event, which was happening in Karen. So yeah, I went. It was vibes, everything was good. So I got me a bunch of stuff from Little More. That is what I want to show you guys. So the first thing I got is this cute table mats. These cute table mats, you can see them. So as I told you in my previous vlog, if you haven't watched it, please go and watch it. My dining table will be here soon, so I'm trying to pile up things. So this is actually a very cute bottle that I also got from them. Oh my god. And this was going for 100 shillings. The mats were going for 80 shillings per mat. 80 shillings, 80 shillings, 80 shillings. I was really impressed by the price. And then I got myself a cute looking mirror because, like you guys know, I always use a mirror that whatever. The second thing that I got that almost I even lost count. This is actually a diffuser that I got from them. This is the one that I felt like it smells a bit nice. It's called, I think the aroma is called, I don't know what, but yes, this is what I got. I'm in love with scents a lot. I need my house to be smelling nice, everything to be good and okay. So yeah, I got. Then it's so cute. It's actually for the bathroom. I'm planning to do a bathroom makeover soon, so you guys should definitely stick to my channel. You know what I'm saying? I got myself this perfume that was going for 460. It's actually, I do perfumes at night, so I felt like it's really consuming my bunch of colognes that I'm owning. So I decided to buy this one because I mean it's just at night and it smells so good. If you go there, please go and pick up this cologne. It's called Low Caste. It's called Low Caste. At least I love how like the packaging is also good. Everything is fine. I got myself a bunch of rubber hair bands. You guys can see these ones are the ones that you actually stretch. I don't want to open them because I mean I'm not even in the mood today. So I got myself this cute sleeping mask, and then it had actually a gift inside. So it has this eye mask. So when you're doing your this one is kept in the fridge, not freezer. So it's kept in the fridge. When you're doing your facial, you just take it, you just lie in bed. Instead of putting a cucumber, you put this one. So yeah, in handy. This one was going for 280. The diffuser was going for 365. The hairbands were going for 150 for the 5 of them. The cologne, I think I told you. The mirror was going for 200 more. I got myself just groceries, not literally groceries, but I got these black seed grapes. It was actually in the fridge. And then I got myself Ndoma. I always buy Ndoma in Naivas because they taste better there. Then I got me some apples. So yeah, we are going to start making a burger. So I'm planning to make a burger, and then there are no lights at my place. The hell? There are no lights at my place, so I'm preferring to go to my cousin's place so that I can go and edit this vlog there, and I can go and finish whatever that I need to do there. I'm hoping I'll release this vlog before 3 p.m. today. I'm just hoping. So yeah. So guys, I want to make a burger. So I have these buns from Naivas. I have lettuce that I just brought out the fridge. I'll be using this Caesar dressing by American Gourmet. I have a cucumber and this. So the only, I think, spice I'm going to be adding is salt and pepper onto the burgers. So I'm making chicken burger. So I have already chicken boiling. So let me cook that up and then I come back to you guys. I have already shredded the chicken I'll be using, so I just want to put it in a pot and cook it with some olive oil, pepper, and salt. Meanwhile, let's cut up the essentials. I'm only going to be making one burger because it's just mine and it's for lunch, and I'm trying to do it the healthier way. Okay, I'm going to cut it again. Yeah, I think that was it. So I'm thinking this one should be enough. I just cut myself. So let's shred it into nice pieces. Something that I like to do is take a bun and then I have to heat it in the pan where I'm making the same chicken. So you can see now that they are done. So the first thing that you need to do is lay the Caesar dressing like that, and then you just apply it. This one is homemade burger, so don't stress yourself too much. My meat here that is actually very crisp, that you guys can see. So here it is. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. So let me have a try. And I made one the other day. Oh my god. I don't know. So guys, lights just came up on, so I'm no longer going to my cousin's place to edit the vlog. It's actually about to get done because I had already piled up these videos yesterday. Determination is key to success, you know. So yeah, please make sure you subscribe to this channel. Please like this video if you have liked it. I have liked it, so I don't know the reason as to why you haven't liked it. So yeah, please also make sure you watch my previous content. Everything is good and nice on this space. Apart from that, guys, bye bye.